Kublai pibaro kibaji page ya kaneka channel manakapor syakapor te kaneka video kabamta ngine page ya kiniki post depalapan mi daka Directorate of Food Processing DOFP Meghalaya kikirteng jungki post kadai district resource person badia kiniki post bapia ban apply kandai ya ki candidate ke balapan tab ya ka class tab kiyo ban apply te ki post baro ki balat ki don hadu unre potli baro apo gajela Meghalaya bat kila pe ruhaman ki distrik ki bahap apo gajela Meghalaya te sape jakane ka video hadu banakut kanang bapin sautu company hak kabayadai bat kini ki post badia kiwe ki jingdon kam. The Directorate of Food Processing Meghalaya invite application for the post of district resource person for implementation of the centrally sponsored scheme with PM formalization of micro food processing enterprise PME of the Ministry of Food Processing Industries MOFPI. Ka Directorate of Food Processing Meghalaya ka khot online application na kabanta ki kam jong ki district resource person na kabanta ban pentri kam ya ka scheme balai daka Sarkar Padang kata kadai ka PM formalization of micro food processing enterprises PMFME jong katanat penmi marbam MOFPI te katarik bak hadu ban pedang lane ban submit ya ki application pat kin pedang hadu ka ar potrik banai balai arjar arpusan ki kirteng jong ki post kadai district resource person number of post hadu unre potli baro padia kini ki hendre potli lapia ru halaki jong ki distrik ki bahap apo kajela Meghalaya banikong kadai is Garohil Santali North Garohil Santali South West Garohil Santali West Garohil Santali South Garohil Santali Ribhoi Santali East Kasihil Santali East and West Kasihil Santali South West Kasihil Santali West Kasihil Santali East Janti Hill Santali West Janti Hill Santali jadi kini post balapi hala kijong ki distrik baper hapo gajela Meghalaya nang ta ka age limit pat as per government nang ta ka salary ka jing seu syaki nong yo jing mentoy kan long kat kum ka nong riem jong uwe po uwe unong yo jing mentoy bala kersan taki hadin bala manjur dakaram syaki dakabang kajing seu sya uwe pa uwe bro badon jingdon jing em kan long ar pawajar naga menta ka uwe karam bang bala manjur da kane kaskim nang taka essential qualification part minimum class 12 pass pidai ban pendap ya ka class 12 sejrong nang taka requirement parts experience in sale and marketing bank mitros loan recovery agents insurance agents and anyone having experience in any commission incentive based employment can travel extensively within the district should have good communication skill especially in local language yakni ki post pat hakapor bapi apply tenkam ban seu ya kabai application kadai free te kumna ban apply yakni ki post the eligible candidate and interest candidate person are required to apply online in the format available on the DOFP website www.dofpmeghalaya.org kibalong eligible lane kibakwa sisa kamon ban apply yakni ki post piha ban naik ka website jongka Directorate of Food Processing www.dofpmeghalaya.org piha ban register suai lade bat pisala ban apply tetang kini kejik pentep ha kabayadai bat kini ki post kublai sibon ngin sekendupat